Greetings and salutations, YouTube. This is Mr. James Perez. I am so happy to say that I started school today, April 2nd of 2012. I'm going to be a semi-truck driver. My graduation is April 26th. So if you guys are planning to come to my graduation, let me know. I'll give you tickets. Anyways, who's going to travel the whole world with me, huh? Check me out. I'm having my own truck, trailer, home, Mustang, Acura, I don't know. I think I'm basically gonna live the dream that I always dreamed about, you know what I'm saying? Well, I want to give a shout out to everybody out there. You know, I miss you, Nathan, and this trucking thing really, because of you, it motivated me, you know what I'm saying? And is that a pimple on my head? That is huge. Oh my God. Gross. 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 Poke. Hey, anyways, holla at your boy.